Hi guys, today I'm making an old man's portrait in watercolor. So I'm starting with the outline now, and you will need the maximum amount of time to create the outline, because if your outline is faulty then your painting will not look perfect. So you can see I'm just correcting a lot of things here, a lot of erasing. And now we'll start with the light shade, the lightest shade actually in the painting. So this is the first layer. So I'm using very less amount of color. As you can see, I'm using a different shade for the face, and I've used a yellow shade for his turban. This is an old man portrait, and I have always loved doing portraits in watercolors. Now I'm going over the yellow to make it more vibrant. Now we'll paint the shadows to give it a realistic effect. As you can see, I'm building up the color slowly in every layer, and you will have to wait for the color to dry a bit. I'm using a darker shade for the neck so that the face stands out and looks realistic. Now for the cheekbones, you can see I have drawn two lines. Also for the eyebrows and the eyelids, this will give it the depth. And now after the painting is dried, I am putting on one more layer. Now I am going for the darker shades again. And notice that I have kept some area of the painting white. These are the highlights. I struggle the most with the nose, so I have not touched it yet because of my anxiety, and I'm going to finish it off last. For the eyes and the iris, make sure to keep some amount of white in the center, so that will give it a realistic look and your eyes will pop out like they do in real life. As you can see, now I'm again building up the brown in the face, and finally I'm doing the nose, which I was the most scared about. Now you can see that it has started looking a bit realistic. When you apply the paint, don't worry if it is looking too dark, because watercolor tends to lighten up when it dries. Now my painting is almost over, guys. Hope you like this painting, and if you like, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And I'm just finishing it off with watercolor brush pens also, especially the yellow portion of it. Now I'm doing the shadows with a darker tone. As you can see, I have used a little bit of black as well. One more layer of darker tones and it will give it the 3D effect that we want, and our face won't look that flat. See, I'm using the brush pen here, and I'm using a bit of white also. Now I'm using a white gel pen to do his beard, which is a white beard, and also I've put some shine in the eyes. Hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.